Here's your foodie. Here's your foodie. Come on, put this one. Okay. Yeah, Mom is making your food. Ah, yes. I want this one. I want this one. Just hold it. Come on, hold it. Oh. Oh yeah. It's eating time. Hmm? Yeah, but your feet is cold. Why your feet is cold? Hmm? Come on, let's go. Yay! Ang fresh ng aming baby. Huh? Naglaway mang kadong. Naglaway mang kadong. Asa imong pahidong? Huh? Naglaway man akong dudong oy. It's like we're in the Philippines. Yeah, parang nasa Pinas na tayo, my love. It's very hot. Yes? Feels like we're in the Philippines already. Yeah. Oh my days. It says in the Philippines because you can go somewhere in the coconut tree. Under the tree.
Get some shit.
Putting your trainers on, or your sunilas. Oh my days.
No.
I was thinking that earlier that I was gonna tell you to wear it, but
Just realised when you said Philippines, I should have had
I forgot. Are you not sleeping?
You watching,
Grabe ang
Daddy?
init.
You watching, Daddy? Yes. Gotta be careful with some.
I know. To give you heart, stroke. That's why we need to wear a hat. There's motorbike. Come on, come on.
Yeah,
come on.
oh, that's some. Yeah, that's better.
Ang daming kalapati. We're gonna be sleeping a bit. Look at this ass.
Hey, hey. Yes. Are you Daddy's stinky bum?
I'm sleepy.
Yes. Yeah. You giving Daddy them eyes? Eh? Yes. You giving Daddy them eyes? Yeah. Yeah, you're falling asleep, aren't you? Big yawning.
It's better. Let's quickly. Okay. Si Daddy is seeing a big sexy ass today. Are you staring at her ass?
Yes, I'm staring at her.
Ang daming mga puwet ngayon lumalabas. First time namin naglakad dito sa kanilang town center. Okay, let's go. Kasi
In fact, no, let's go to. I want to go to
where?
baby shop first.
The baby shop. Are you getting sleep now? Huh? Yeah. Ando yung daddy niya. Dahil ang init dito, may nakadaan kami ng free water. Kumuha si yung dalawa. Oh my God!
Oh my God, what's the dog?
You want to get that?
You want a pack of pizza?
Come on, get. I know you want that. Oh my days.
We'll have a pack of pizza.
Haya.
There's plenty of them, so we can come back for them.
Ayun na. Nagbili lang kami ng sandwich for snacks. Tapos nakita ni Daddy yung kuan ba yung shield sa karat sa kasapang pag mag kuan ka ng suga bitaw. And then kukuha lang kami ng susdako and the garlic something.
There's onion, where's the onion and garlic?
With onion and garlic, yeah. Pag lumaki na si Kid, the Kid will gonna be practicing his bike here.
Have our food first.
Which one? This one?
Yeah, push it.
How to open it?
Push it.
Ah.
So what's in that? Might be a bit spicy. I don't know. Oh, you're nice. Yeah.
Just fucking warm.
What? What are you looking? Some sort of seeds. Oh my word. Oh my god. A worm. that was making you angry, that, weren't it? What have you done that? That worm did it. I don't want that. It's full of worms. Yeah, I'm having it.
Ah, it's from the...
Yeah, nice and yeah.
Oh my God. Feed to the body, to the guard. Kain tayo.
You won't get near him. He's stung.
Some more.
Uh-oh. What are you doing, my crazy one? Eh? What are you doing, my crazy, crazy one? You can't eat daddy's fingers, no. Do you want that? Yay! Whoa, whoa. Not too heavy. Yeah. Ah, we've got the old pineapple. Are we eating one? Sharing one? Yeah. Same bit for us. Yeah. I've ice cream without alcohol.
Hello. Hello. You want me to change that? Ooh. What is it? 3. You're not hungry yet now. 4 o'clock, yeah? I feed you 12. I feed you 12. I'm gonna change your nappy, okay? Look at the titty, look at the titty. Kiss mama ba?
He just had one.
Tingin kita titty na.
Wow.
Where are you going? Yeah. Yeah. Mommy gonna get you out from there, okay? So you can see a fresh.
Yeah, get him out when he's,
So can I put some fresh?
I know, yeah, before eating.
You wanna get out from there?
Must be a bin about.
Hala. Look at you. Look at you. Look at you.
Come on, sing, come on, slathering mummy's face.
Sing. What mommy doing to you? What mommy doing to you?
Come on, slathering mummy's face.
Fly, the butterfly. Fly, the butterfly.
What are you doing there? What are you doing? What are you doing? Are you flying?
Yes, I am flying, Daddy.
You mean Superman?
Look, there is a lot of color there. Oh, you're gonna place. Soon, yes. You're gonna wrap it here?
Wow, where are you going? Hey! Wow, where are you going?
Dad is eating again.
Yeah, he's daddy big boy. Hey, he's daddy big boy. You mean Superman? Oh, son, hey, you want some pineapple with daddy? Huh? Yeah. Gonna go on these rides. Yay! Watch that Sonic songs in his eyes.
Yeah, Daddy.
Be careful, sweetheart.
Full of Oh my god, he's biting me. Oh. He's biting me so hard. I'm glad you don't have a teeth yet.
He's trying to eat mummy. Yeah? Are you eating mummy?
Like,
Yeah. Yeah, like that.
yeah. Mommy gonna. Hello, how do you do?
Hey, chunky man.